We love oranges for their fruity vitamin nature, but we don't realize that we make a huge mistake throwing away their peels. It turns out that they can be used in so many different ways. Don't miss the fun bonus at the end and watch out for 3 light bulbs, the symbols of bright side we've hidden in this video. When you find them, make sure to let us know in the comment section. DIY aroma candle. Scented candles add a special aroma twist to your house and home. To make one of those yourself, cut the orange in half. Remove all of its contents, carefully leaving the stem intact. Then fill the peel bowl with any cooking oil you like. Use the stem as a natural wick. Voila! Your house will now smell like oranges and it won't cost you a cent. Oh, romance! Save your plants. Oranges might smell like heaven to you, but they sure don't to your pets. You can make use of this secret to protect your plants from being bitten and scratched by your cat. Just rub the peels of your favorite potted plants. Your fluffy friend will not love the oil these peels leave behind and will stay away from it. To save your outdoor plants from bugs, try spreading fresh orange peels around your garden. They will also work their magic keeping all the unwanted insect guests away from your greenery. Keep the insects away. Thankfully, orange oil works as a repellent not only with cats but also with insects. Mosquitoes, cockroaches, and other bugs will leave you alone if you spray yourself with an orange peel repellent. Make it super simple. All you have to do is dry some peels, blend them with water, and keep the liquid in a spray bottle to be used whenever you need it. Rubbing orange peels onto your skin will have a similar effect if you don't have time to make the spray. Great natural cleaner. There is an easy, cheap, and 100% organic way to clean floors, windows, and other surfaces in your home. Yes, orange peels can really do all that. Just add some to a bottle of vinegar and put it in the fridge for a few weeks. Shake it from time to stir the mix. When the time is right, pour it in a spray bottle to use easily on different surfaces. Refresh your dinnerware. Take good care of your glasses, forks, and spoons and free them from the water stains and soap scum. Fill a sink with warm water and put some orange peels in it. Let your dinnerware soak in this orange bath for a few minutes and you will love the results. The citric acid will wash away all the blurs. Are you finding the light bulbs? They're in here somewhere. A natural sponge. You can use fresh orange peels as natural sponges that leave the surface clean and dry, giving it a nice citrusy fragrance. Try it on your stovetop. You can make it your little household secret. DIY body scrub. If you're looking for a 100% organic body scrub, why not make one yourself to be 100% organically sure? Wrap some orange peels in cheesecloth and tie it firmly. You can use it like a loofah when taking a shower. You are guaranteed to get firmer and brighter skin if you do it regularly. If you prefer baths to showers, try grinding some dried peels in a food processor and adding them to the water you're about to get into. Not a bad home spa. Start a fire. Orange peels offer a fiery solution for those who love camping but have trouble starting a campfire. The citrus rind will work just as good as old newspapers or other burning materials if you don't have any at hand. You can also try using them for your hearth to clean your chimney of creosote and fill your home with a festive fragrance. Deodorize your trash can and smelly fridge. No one likes the smell of trash, that mixture of yesterday's lunch and today's onions. Yikes! Get rid of it with this simple trick. Before putting the trash bag in the can, lay some dried peels on the bottom. As an alternative, try grinding some peels in the bag to prevent the odor from spreading. Your fridge, hopefully, is not as smelly as a trash can, but still doesn't smell quite like roses, does it? Fill a bowl of half an orange peel with salt and leave it in the fridge. It will help absorb the odors and add a citrus note to your food storage. Shoe deodorant. Smelly feet can ruin good looks you've been working on for ages and ruin a deal or a date. It is often the fault of the shoe manufacturers that your feet stink, but you don't want to explain that to your business partners, right? Instead, keep your shoes fresh with orange peels. Cut some orange peels and make an orange-filled sachet for each shoe. The peels will do a great job absorbing the odor and keeping your shoes fresh. No more stinky feet. Bonus: Orange Smile. This use of orange peels won't save your plants or refresh your home, but it will surely brighten your day. Get creative with your kids or your friends and start an orange party. Eat the fruit and keep the peels to cut some fun, crazy designs to stick in your mouth. Now, walk around as orange monsters trying to stay serious about it. See who'll be the first to burst out laughing. Have you tried any of these orange peel tricks? Or maybe you know some of your own. Feel free to share in the comments. Also, let us know if you found the light bulbs. If you like this video, let us know by using the special thumbs up button. If it gets 50,000 likes, we'll share another video with some cool ideas on how to use the most ordinary things. Subscribe to our channel not to miss it and other updates we have coming up. Stay with us on the bright side of life.